difficult puzzle. It's so confusing. And I know what
Please, where are you taking me to?
this is insane.
Sir, I promise you, I'm sorry about everything. I'll go on social media and I'll tell everybody the truth. I'll tell them that, I'll tell them everything. I will not lie to them. I'll tell them everything. I promise you. I'm sorry. Please, sir, please, I'm so sorry. Please, sir, don't hurt me, please. Just, okay, drop me here. Just drop me here. Drop me here. Oh, please, sir. Sir, please.
I don't even want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you. If I wanted to do that, I would have asked the policeman to pick you up.
Okay, sir. So just drop me.
It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing.
No. No, sir.
Yes. I am Chris Alexis Prescott, and that is my full name.
Sir, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I promise I'm going to go on social media. I'm going to go on live and tell them the truth. I was faking it. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, sir. Please. Please, sir. Please.
Get up.
Sir, please. Please.
I said get up.
Sir, I didn't mean to. I just wanted to make a name for myself. That was why I didn't mean to personate Alex Prescott's fiancé. I'm sorry.
There will be no need for that. You have maintained the number 6 of the 48 Laws of Power, written by Robert Greene. You have tactfully caught attention at all costs. But I want you to do one thing for me.
What is it, sir?
I want you to continue with it. I want us to make it real at this time.
Sir?
I want us to carry the crowd along so that they will believe it's for real. I want to make you my woman for real.
Oh, sir, what about your fiancé?
My fiancé?
Yes, Amanda Oche. She accosted me 5 days ago at the supermarket.
Forget about her. You don't have to worry yourself about her. Our relationship crumbled before you came into the picture. We're only managing, patching things up. Do you have anything to say? Oh, you're not saying anything. Why? That is what you've always wanted. Come here.
Sir?
Come here. Come here. That is what you've always wanted. Are you shocked? I want you to go home.
Thank you, sir.
Hey. Not done yet. Go home and think about it. Now enter the car, let me drop you off. Now. To the car.
It's playing me out. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me out. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing.
This is the house I supposedly bought for you. Yeah, come on, don't feel embarrassed, okay? Just go and think about it. And everything you've ever dreamt of will become yours. Okay? Come on, just take a look. Don't you like it?
How did you find me?
That's not difficult at all.
Boss, are you still worried about Ebube's kidnap?
Of course.
I'm sorry if I'm overstepping my boundaries, but is there any special interest?
You're really overstepping your boundaries, and you know it.
I apologize, boss. But I think I know who is responsible for her kidnap.
Who?
Yeah, I want you to think about this, boss. Who is hell-bent on exposing her?
Barry. No. Barry cannot do that. Barry cannot do that. I specifically asked her to hands off that case.
You might be right, boss. But lately she has been making frequent calls in hidden corners and in hushed tones. I've been suspecting her, and since I broke the news of Ebube's kidnap, she has been acting weird.
Johnson.
Sir.
I hope you know the implications of that accusation.
Yes, I do, sir. And I also know that she will definitely deny it if we confront her.
How do we find out?
The best bet now is to quickly contact the security agencies and the telecommunication companies so we can have facts and evidence.
You know, her phone was bugged when the kidnappers called her. We were able to trace their location. Don't get me wrong anyway. Her action was noble. She thought she was doing it for me. But there's no way I would allow her to disgrace you that way. Because I love you. And I won't allow it.
Thank you, sir.
Don't call me sir. Call me Alexis. You always call me that. And one more thing. You have to stop lying. Okay? Let's make it truth. Our truth. Good? Okay.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you.
You have a nice day.
This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Game is playing me. The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do.
Oh, okay, hold on. I'll call you back, okay? Yeah. Call you back.
What is the meaning of this?
You can read, right?
It says here that I have been suspended indefinitely. Chris, you can't do this to me.
It has already been done.
What I did for you. For the Prescott's family.
You had your orders. Stay away from this case. No. You were headstrong. So hell-bent, which leaves me wondering, what's your case in this? You are not Prescott and you will never be one. You are just an ordinary staff, in case you need me to remind you your place. I was actually making a mistake for taking you as a sister all this while.
I worked so hard. I gave my sweat and blood for this company. I have also done a lot of things to protect everyone in this company.
And which is why what you're holding there is not a sack letter. You disobeyed a simple instruction. And you know the consequences from the beginning. If you don't mind, I was in the middle of discussion on the phone before you came in.
So, you are saying that Alexis Prescott came with the police to rescue you?
Mm-hmm.
Why would he do that?
I don't know. Apparently, one of his staff planned the whole kidnap. She wanted me to confess right in front of a camera and tell the world the truth.
That means Alexis Prescott thwarted that plan.
Yes.
he doesn't want the truth to be revealed. Why?
I don't know. He said that he was in love with me.
Alexis Prescott is in love with you. How?
Ogogo, I'm confused. You needed to have seen him. You needed to have been there. I was scared to my bone. You no go understand. You no go understand wetin happened today. It seems like it's a setup.
What if it's not? What if he's truly in love with you? I mean, let's look at the brighter picture of it. Why hasn't he come out all this while to debunk the claim that you are making?
Just confused. I don't know. Ogugua, I don't know. I'm confused. You needed to have been there.
It's okay. You don't have to be. Okay? I mean, this has been what you've always wanted. Yeah. Your dreams are finally coming true. So, you just have to cheer up and grab it. Okay?
If you had seen that guy's face today, this thing where you dey talk, you no go talk am again.
Guy, Alexis Prescott is in love with you. If not me, by now, don't they jump up? I swear.
This one not be love again, oh. Not be love, oh. You no go get, you don't understand.
I for don't they.
I need down the beggar.
Do you think retrenchment is the best thing to do, sir?
It's better than getting her arrested and suing her for kidnapping.
I understand, sir, but you will also agree with me that it will be very difficult to get someone who will competently fit into that position that Beryl used to occupy.
However, nobody is irreplaceable. Even me. So run along, go back to your office and face your job. Update an advert on our portal for prospective applicants to apply. Barry's vacant needs to be filled up immediately.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Nnamdi, I don't know why you are in this mood. If Madame Ebus was still in the kidnapper's den, I would have attributed your mood to that. But now she's a free woman, so why are you still in this sad mood?
Sometimes I wonder why we do not get all the things we want in this life, even when we work hard towards it.
Well, I think it's because God is fair and at the same time just. He gives to everyone what is deserving of him, not according to your efforts.
You just said that God is unfair. Can you explain that?
What?
Madam.
Sorry, madam.
Yeah, Mr. Gumba, can you excuse me?
Okay, madam.
That way. That way. Sit down.
Okay.
I've been looking for you. Ogugwa told me how worried you were over my kidnapping.
Well, we were all worried about that. So.
Okay. I'm sorry about the way I spoke to you the other day.
I should be the one to apologize. I mean, I overstepped my boundaries, so I'm sorry. Sorry.
So we're good?
Yeah, sure, we're good.
Alright.
Agumba.
Oh, well.
Yes, she has gone.
Let go with even that.
Oh,
Nothing. Sure. I want you to do something about your feelings, but you wouldn't listen. See the awkward position you have put yourself into.
You sound as if I planned the whole thing from the beginning. I did not plan to fall in love with her.
Now, how are you going to manage to remain professional?
Well, I have to end it all. There's no need running around. I have to end it all. It is over, Agumba.
But that wasn't the plan.
I know, nobody plans anything. But sometimes the heart plays a fast one on us. Yes, instead of being here and watching her in the arms of another man, it is better I quit. After all, she is in love with Alexis Prescott, not Nnamdi.
Maybe the name and not the face.
Well, we are saying the same thing. The name or the face, they are all the same thing. I have to just end it all, that's all.
Well, yeah, who just manage you where your feelings. Your feelings. Keep it low.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. The game is playing me now. I thought I was
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Is she in?
Yes, she's in. Let me get her.
This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do.
It's okay, babe. You have to hurry up. I don't want you to keep him waiting, please. Stand up. Oh, yeah.
But truthfully, babes, he's not the picture I had in mind.
Come on, it's nothing. That is because you've conjured up an image of what Alexis Prescott should look like for far too long. But trust me, girl, he is more alluring on ground.
You think?
Of course he is. Come on here.
I'm just tensed. I don't know. I'm not supposed to be tensed. I'm tensed, girl.
Aww, love a girl.
So how do I look?
Oh my goodness. Ooh la la. Girl, you look stunning. What? Guess what?
What?
From today, no more insufficient fun!
Hey.
Hey. Wow. Wow. You look like a goddess.
Thank you.
Come on. Wow. This is good.
Thank you very much. Hi.
Oh, your friend?
Yes. My bad. This is Ogugwa. She's my close friend.
Hello.
How are you?
No, fine.
What's the name?
Ogugwa.
Ogugwa.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
So, shall we?
Yeah, of course. Sure.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Don't worry, your friend is in a safe hand.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh,
Okay.
no doubts.
Billionaire, so I mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. Yeah, we must get the publicity. I must get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up, no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo. Mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must get that more. She aim very high. She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for press. Ibis back on. The billionaire so wife. Mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what you need.
You know, that is it. Do you understand?
We? Are we in French class? How?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that.
Don't you ever do that again. I am your boss.
I love you.
Woo! 700. Woo!
I'm sorry, Mom. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Sorry.
It's okay. I mean, you actually saved me, so it's fine. It's okay.
All right. Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
Did you hear me? Hey, babe.
What did you say?
A penny for your thought.
I was just wondering. I mean, a man as introverted as you are, going on a date with me, it still baffles me, you know?
I don't go on dates. But like I said, I don't know what you've done to me.
I still don't mind a more private relationship.
But deep down, you would prefer a not so secret one. I know you, Ebube. You are a social media Fabi and an extrovert. Yeah. This is your lifestyle. And I wouldn't want to stifle it out of you. Just want to show you how much I love you.
I get your point. But do you realize that when people see us together, they will take pictures, post them on their social media platforms, and they will say Ebube Priska Anosike and Alexis Prescott together. Now that will bring up your identity open to the public. That will raise some speculations, you know.
I don't really care about all that. Yeah. Once I'm with you, I'm good. I've been dying to hear those words.
What words?
That you love me. Or is it too early?
I feel like this whole thing is a mistake. I also feel like you wake up one morning and you walk out of my life.
If that is what you think about me, then you don't really know me.
Cheers.
It's back on. Living on their so white for us. I know my insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that joy. No more insufficient for love. Yeah. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more. I celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that joy. No more insufficient for love. Yeah. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more. She aim very high. She know they settle for less.
You've been sulking. What's the problem?
I'm fine. I'm not sulking, I'm fine.
Nnamdi, you know if you continue like this, you will end up hurting yourself.
I don't know what you're talking about.
There is no point pretending. I know you like her a lot. But you see, you don't stand a chance against Alexis Prescott. Ebube is my friend, and I know her very well. She doesn't go for low achievers like you, sorry to say. Ebube aims higher, and somehow she has a way of getting what she wants. But look at me. Why don't you want to accept what I'm offering?
What are you offering? What can you possibly offer? Nothing. You do not even need to answer me because I know already. You are attracted to me. Mere attraction. That is what it is. You want to know what it feels like to have sex with me? Yes. Listen, I am not a specimen in a tube. And I am not an erotic object to satisfy your lusts.
But it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause
No. Honestly, Barry, you went too far.
Come on. If I had known this was your plan, I would have dissuaded you.
Those people left me with no other option. Amanda, how could we just relax, fold our arms, and watch one local girl from the gutters who has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with Prescott or the company, grow bigger and bigger and bigger every day using the boss's name? Whereas there is little or nothing known about the staff in the media. It doesn't seem fair.
Honestly, Barry, you don't understand. Alexis doesn't like his orders disobeyed.
Please don't tell me that. Those people know exactly what they are doing.
How do you mean?
Amanda, there is something going on that you and I do not know.
Barry, you may be right. You may be right, my girl. Because I don't understand Alex. I don't understand him anymore. Because before he traveled, I brought the matter up. He told me that I should please not disturb him, that we are going to talk about it once he returns. And when he returned, what did he do? I brought it up again. He waved it off.
Sweetheart, do you want to know the truth?
Yes.
Your beloved fiancé is having an affair with that girl.
That's impossible. How? Please, please, please don't go there. What are you saying? They don't even know each other.
That is what they want us to believe, Amanda. That is it. Just think about it. Okay, tell me. How do you explain the reluctance? Huh? I tried to do something about it and I was given a letter of suspension. They make sure they get rid of anyone that tries to stand in their way. What are you saying? I only wish. I wish I had known better. I wouldn't be where I am now.
back home, living on their so wife. Mama insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, mama insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. No matter what
where you know the answer code.
See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo.
Beautiful.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confused.
Please hold on. Oh, please. Oh, wait now. Let me explain. Let's talk about it. Let's
talk about what exactly? Your betrayal? You knew from the beginning how I've always felt about Nnamdi. What
happens to, oh, he's my houseboy, I don't see him that way.
Babe, just calm down.
Shh, just shut up. You constantly denied the fact that you found him very attractive and you did everything possible just to discourage me. I never knew you wanted him just for yourself alone. Once again, you want to show me that you can have any man that you want. You've always been the one that men flocks around. You've always been the one that gets the whole attention. You've always gotten the whole admiration while I hover behind your shadow like a dog waiting patiently for the scrap of food that will fall off the table.
What are you talking about? What am I talking about?
What am I talking about? You want to know the truth? I hate you. Yes, I have always hated you. I hate your guts. I hate the fact that you have it all and I'm nothing beside you. I hate the fact that he chose you over me. I hate the fact that your stupid prank turned into your favor. I've always hoped that one day you will get exposed and the world will see you for who you truly are. And it will be so much delightful to watch you fall for that high horse. But this is the last straw. I will make you pay for it.
Ogogo, what are you up to?
I am leaving your house for good. I am tired of your bossy lifestyle. And trust me, I will break the ice. Rubbish.
Was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do.
Come and open this gate. I say open this gate and stop asking me silly questions. Open this gate, my friend. What is your problem? Foolishly open this gate, my friend.
The game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Oh, yeah, this is insane. Scheme and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do.
You heard her right. She was my best friend. How could she say all that to me?
When one is angry, the mouth tends to lose control. But at the same time, circumstances reveal people's intentions. I mean, real intentions.
It's all my fault. I never knew she felt that way about me. She looked me in the face, told me that she hates me. All those years, I never knew.
I was blocking her from her true romance. I knew she was attracted to you, yet I discouraged her. I'm a horrible person. I'm such a horrible person.
Hey. Don't say that. Don't say that about yourself. Listen, Ibebe, we cannot deny what we feel for ourselves. Can we? Ours is genuine. Hers, just mere attractions that may wear off after we go down there. Sex. Over the years, you've been confiding in her, telling her stuffs because she is your best friend. But she was busy praying for your downfall. Come on, don't bother yourself. Let her go, all right?
But it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. Oh, this is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to
Uncle, welcome.
Hello, my princess. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. You don't look too bright. Is there any problem?
No, I'm fine. I just have slight headache. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I can understand. These endorsement deals, I'm sure they will be taking a toll on you.
You know how it is.
You need some time out, huh?
I think so.
Some break, some rest,
Yeah.
okay?
Okay.
That's all right. What about my in-law? Is he in?
He actually traveled to Ukraine this morning. He had an emergency, a business meeting.
Ukraine?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I understand. Business.
You know
Business,
how it is, yeah.
Okay,
The proposal.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
he said
Okay.
I should hold it, and when he returns, he's going to attend to it.
Oh, that's all right. That's all right. It's very safe in your hands.
Yeah, very, very safe, Uncle.
Okay,
You can trust me on that.
Yeah, sure.
And immediately he comes, I'll just present it to him.
That's good.
Yeah, I mean,
And
you know
then-
how Alex's Prescott is.
Oh, yeah. I expect the needful to be done on it.
Uncle, you trust me. I'll do the needful.
Okay, I'm going to leave you. I just came to deliver this.
No, it's okay. You don't want me to give you anything?
No, I'm fine. I just came to deliver this.
Adumba, what's the problem?
One courier service man brought this to the gate and said I should extend it to you.
Okay, I'll just have it. Okay. Yes.
Hello, Mr. Goodman. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes, you're really fine. You're doing great. You're very diligent in your job.
Thank you, sir.
I was telling my in-law the other day that you look quite familiar. Yes, like we've met somewhere before.
I said the same thing when he came here.
Oh, yeah?
I don't think so.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
That's all right. The semblance is quite striking, though I can't place my hands on it. They say everybody has a double.
I'll go back and go back to your post.
Yeah, that's all right.
Okay.
Take care of it, okay?
Okay.
You're doing well, eh?
Thank
You're
you.
doing well.
Thank you.
Well, I guess it's a coincidence.
I guess so.
Yeah. All right, princess. I got to go now.
Uncle, so you don't want me to serve you anything?
No. I'm fine. I just came to deliver this.
Okay, Uncle. Don't worry. It's safe.
Good. I'll leave you now, huh?
Okay, Uncle.
I expect to hear good news.
Of course.
Take care of yourself, eh?
but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do.
What am I going to do now?
The truth. Tell the truth. I mean, it may not go down well with him, but you'll be free and clear conscience.
How can you possibly suggest I say the truth? I mean, his head is already in the contract. You convinced him that he's going to get the contract. You put me in this state of dilemma.
Well, I did what I did to buy time for you, pending when you would decide to say the truth.
Well, everything is complicated now.
So, what do you plan to do?
Nandi, please.
Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing.
This is wonderful. Your houseboy must be an actor to have convinced your uncle that he is the real Alexis Prescott.
It's not funny.
And that's why you're so moody? Come on, cheer up. This is not a big deal.
Who will award him the contract now that I've been implicated?
Of course I will. For your sake.
But there is a problem.
I know. Your problem is, how do we tell him that I am the real Alexis Prescott and not Nandi? It's a simple thing. We'll tell him everything. Yeah. But the look on your face. You don't know how to approach him with the real truth. But this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to call him and tell him that Alexis Prescott asked me to sign the contract on his behalf. Yes, at least that will buy us enough time to tell him or to approach him with the truth.
You would do this for me? I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything, my love. We're in this together.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I found myself drawing closer to you when I'm supposed to be repelled by your actions.
I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turned around and the game is playing me. Oh, the game is playing me now. I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my case. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. Yeah.
So what is it? Why did you drag me out by this time?
What I want to show you will interest you.
Be fast and show me, you know I'm a busy man.
That's it. Go on.
Can I transfer this to my phone?
Sure.
Okay. Done. Do you have another copy of this?
No, but I planned making more copies of it. Oh, that'll be later.
Thank you.
So, Chris, you're a nice person. I know you love my friend so much. But you see, she doesn't love you. Not one bit. She's just with you because of your financial security and to save herself the shame of being exposed. So, I just want you to know what you're getting into. You know, you have to sit down and think twice. You know, think deep into it. Hey, Okuba is my friend. I'm not supposed to, be doing all these things, but because I know you're a nice person. Okay? I don't want you to make mistakes. Yeah.
It's okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for bringing this to my notice.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Anytime.
But it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my case. Now I turned out to be the victim. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. The whole thing is just confusing. I was playing this game and I thought it is flowing. Now the table turn around and the game.
Now the pendulum is swinging. Let's see who gets the last dance.
I thought I was winning, but it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane.
A woman you did what? A woman you love? A woman you love? See what she's doing to herself. You think she loves you?
I am not complaining.
You think she loves you? She doesn't care about anybody. She cares only for herself.
Stop.
She cares only for herself.
Please, can you stop?
She's just using you as a sex toy.
Can you stop, please?
Just to satisfy her sexual urge.
Please stop.
Hey, if you say that one more time, I will punch you.
It's okay.
She is just using you, so you need to hear this. You're the most stupid person I've ever seen on earth. Do you understand?
I will punch your face. I will punch your face.
You still need to hear this. You still need to hear this. Okay? So calm down. You've exposed yourself of all your lies. But your game is up. Just kiss goodbye to all the good things I have for you.
A gold digger. Hey, she's just using you. You're just a sex toy. Gold digger.
I am not complaining, Mr. Man.
I was playing this game and I thought it is flow.